Spirituality is an approach to living actively in this world with a sense of purpose and belonging. Religion is often not nuanced. It is often situated as following a certain set of beliefs or a certain set of practices. So increasingly what I see are alternative ways that people are trying to pursue their spiritual well-being, where it's no longer identifying with a specific system, but rather still finding ways to encourage their belief, to fortify their belief, to grow their belief, while at the same time saying, I don't need to be stuck in a system that not only is not a representative of who I am, but doesn't accept me for the person that I know that I am. My name is Morgan Shipley. I'm the Folio Endowed Chair of Spirituality and Associate Professor of Religious Studies at Michigan State University. A growing majority of people are seeing themselves as religiously unaffiliated, and therefore embracing spirituality because that is a little bit more amorphous. It's more open for self-definition for what is right for me and what I need to do to increase my internal sense of self, my inner peace, but also the way that I think about my relationship to others. And so at the same time that they might be moving away from traditional religious settings, they are increasingly interested in holistic well-being. And that is a core aspect of spirituality. As religious institutions, as secular society are trying to understand this growing category of people who are religiously unaffiliated, we can't assume that they all follow the same path. And we also should not assume that simply saying that I'm not religious does not mean that one does not believe in a higher power or that one is not committed to fortifying their spiritual truths and their spiritual sense of self.